Here at Meal Prep Sunday, we care about our good to great culture. This week, we will show you each of our departments on how they are affected by our culture to achieve our good to great standards to better serve our clients. We will start with Tasio S., our IT department manager. Tasio is in charge of developing various software such as a logistic app to be able to improve our communication with our clients, give them an accurate ETA, days in advance so our clients knows when their delicious meals will arrive. Also, have the app to make it easier for our clients to navigate and choose their meals so they can reach their fitness goals. This shows how our IT department are consistently innovating each process applying the good to great culture. Lucas M., our purchasing manager, he will give you more insight on how he implements our good to great culture for his department.
The purchasing department team is in charge of communicating with a vast variety of local and nationwide suppliers on a weekly basis, making sure which ingredients are best for the season so we can have the highest quality ingredients for your delicious meals.
Every week, our purchasing department consistently improves quality control to not allow anything we deem subpar to get any further along the process. They also check the temperature of each ingredients before they enter the production cycle, so they can meet our good to great standard. The third department we want to talk about is our culinary department, led by our kitchen manager David, who will give you more info about how his department uses good to great culture.
The culinary department is in charge of R&D, research and development. We generate new ideas on how to utilize our various proteins, starch and vegetables. Our culinary team uses different techniques every week to provide a top-tier service that our client can always feel excited, whether they are a professional bodybuilder or busy parent. Our meals will help them achieve their fitness goals to be more productive and also help them save time and money for a good to great lifestyle.
Larissa S., our logistic manager, will tell you how our good to great culture affects her department.
Here, the Meal Prep Sunday, our logistic team is in charge of training our drivers to make sure that each bag is organized correctly, from the meals to how many ice packs are needed per bag, making sure the bags are consistently handled properly from our fridge to your fridge, routing each delivery using our trusted apps. Our drivers can deliver your meal safely and efficiently, so we can create the best possible experience for our clients.
These are the products of our good to great culture affecting our logistics department. Our final department that we want to show you this week is our system operation department, who is led by Pedro, our system operation manager. Pedro will tell you more about how his system operation embodies our good to great culture.
The standard operation procedures for the System Operation Department make it able to have the proper processing of records on each client's request and to make sure they get the best result for their fitness goals. Apply any modification of meals from our client's requests and audit the request to make sure they are applied accordingly. Every request from our client is really important to us to make sure that we keep our good to great culture mindset applied.
Now that you have seen and heard each of our department's leaderships on how our good to great culture affects their departments, we hope that you, our clients, will trust us more and will give you that good to great mindset. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.